Okay, I had to wait for the other video to load up, but basically I got back in long once it broke this plane here of resistance. So I'm sitting right now with an entry at 70 3/4. I'm going up into, I want to see it up in the 75 because that starts to represent the daily highs from a little while back. Taking a look at the daily here. Up in here, 70, where are we at here? 76 to 80, it gets a little dicey. Anyhow, so I'm sitting here waiting for this to stretch its legs up into 75. Okay, it's still running a little bit here. I've got my total profit for the day, including my loss this morning, at 112. Taking a look at the 200 really is where it will tell me to get out. Because I've got some profits locked in, if this thing turns around right here, I'm going to get out. It's pushing pretty hard upwards, so hopefully it'll keep going. I'm less inclined to let this run because it's already run 12 points this morning, or 14 points, which is a lot of ticks. So the largest potential run of the day is maybe gone, so I don't want to get too greedy. I should hit my target here, though. I'm within 4 ticks, so again, my trading style, I've got preset targets. I'm really okay with anything over about $80, and I'm net, as it stands this second, $100 or so. I'm going to take it. What's going on here? I need to exit all positions. God damn it. All right, a little confused there. I'm still not familiar with the speed up trader, but I took my total profit for the day of $100. Looks like I panicked. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on there, but anyways, made my target for today. I'll maybe go over. I'll create another video later to show you how I track everything and how I make my entries and so on and so forth. But good trade, good day.